Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making brownies, because one of you subscribers asked me to make some. So here is my recipe on the great and delicious brownie. So let's start. First, let's prepare our baking tin. An easy way to do this is to grab a piece of baking paper, trace the bottom of your tin with a pencil and cut it out with scissors. Lightly butter the inside of the tin so nothing sticks. Better safe than sorry. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Fill a pan with a small layer of water and place a heat-proof ball on top. This method is called Bain Marie. Add the butter and chocolate to a bowl and let it melt slowly and gently. While that's melting, grab another bowl and add 2 eggs, without the shells of course, and add 1 extra egg yolk. Add white caster sugar, a bit of brown sugar and some vanilla extract or paste. I'm using paste, but either works perfectly. Mix everything together using a hand or stand mixer for about 3 to 4 minutes, until the mixture becomes light, pale and fluffy. This step is key. It adds air, which gives the brownies that perfect texture. Next, sift in the flour to avoid lumps. Add a good pinch of salt and gently fold it together. Take your time here, you don't want to knock out all of the air. Now pour in the melted chocolate mixture and fold it through until smooth. Chop up some extra dark chocolate into chunks and add them to the batter, along with a little baking powder. Give it one final gentle fold. Look at that, this is the money shot right here. Give it some good spanks, just like you would do to your girlfriend or boyfriend, and bake it for 20 to 24 minutes, making sure the middle part is still a bit wiggly when you take it out. Let the brownies cool completely to room temperature before removing them from the tin. Then cut them into 16 squares. We use less sugar than most recipes, but the texture is still incredibly rich and fudgy. Win-win if you ask me. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.